Hello students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Lesson. Dear students, I have promised you to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries which you may drop in my comment box. As per my promise, I have completed your syllabus. Now we are going through the revision series. In my last sessions, we have discussed about algebraic expression. In this session, we will discuss about linear equations. At first, discuss what is linear equations. What is linear equations? Linear equation is the algebraic expressions which is the highest degree of the variable is 0, is 1. Highest, suppose 2x plus 5 is equal to 9 is a linear equations because here the highest degree of the variable is 1. Linear equation is the algebraic expression in which the highest degree of the variable is 1. Suppose 2x square minus 9 is equal to 2x. Is this a linear equation? No, because as I have told you, linear equation in which the highest degree of the variable is 1. Here the highest degree of the variable is 2. 2x square. This is a quadratic equation, not a linear equation. Then let us discuss how can we solve linear equations. When we solve the linear equations, at first suppose the question is given 2x plus 7 is equal to 9. This is a given linear equations. When we solve the linear equation, at first put the variable side in LHS. This is called the LHS and this is called the RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. When we solve it, first try to keep the variable side in LHS and keep the constant side to the RHS. Here keep 2x here and 7 is added here. When we take it to shift it to RHS, it becomes plus becomes minus. When it is added in LHS, this means it gets subtracted in the RHS. Then this is 9 minus 7. This is 2x is equal to 5. Here 2 is multiplied in the LHS. When we shift it into the RHS, it gets divided with this RHS, means x is equal to 5 upon 2. Here 2 is at the numerator. When we shift the 2 from the LHS to RHS, it shifted to the denominator. Suppose here given y upon 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 15. Here this is the variable and these are the constants. I have already told you, when you solve the linear equations, keep the variable in LHS and shift the constant to the RHS. Then here 1 is added here. When you shift it to the RHS, then it gets subtracted. Then y upon 5 is equal to, here take the 15 as the LCM, then 1 minus 15, which is equal to y upon 5 is equal to minus 14 upon 15. Here, as I have already told you, when you shift the 5 is at the denominator. When we shift it to the RHS, here 5 is in LHS at the denominator. When we shift it to the RHS, it shift to the numerator. This means y is, here 5 is divided. When we shift it to RHS, it gets multiplied. This means y is equal to minus 14 upon 15 into 5. Then 5 get divided with 15. Then at last we get y is equal to minus 14 upon 3 is the answer of the given equations. Answer of the given equations. Then let us solve some more examples. I have already told you, only knowing theories is not sufficient, students. Please practice variety of questions. When you practice variety of questions, then the questions which will be asked in your exam paper will not be a challenge for you. Please practice variety of questions and also practice solve the equation and check the answer. While you check the answer and you get the LHS is equal to RHS, then you will be sure that your answer is right. Let us discuss. Here the question is given. Y upon 2 plus 8 upon 3 is equal to 31 upon 8. Here I have already told you, please keep the variable in LHS and shift the constant to the RHS. This is 31 upon 8 minus 8 upon 3. Then y upon 2 is equal to, here 8 and 3, take the LCM of 8 and 3 is 24. Then 31 3 ja is 93 minus 64, which is equal to 29 upon 24. Then here I have already told you, when the constant is at the denominator, when we shift it from LHS to RHS, it shift to the numerator. This means y is equal to 29 upon 24 into 2 to get divided with this. Then finally we get y is equal to 29 upon 12. This is the answer of the question. Then let us check the answer. Here you get y is equal to 29 upon 12. Then y is equal to 29 upon 12. Then put it in LHS and put it in. Then if we get the RHS, then this means we check the answers. Let us check. How can we check? Put the value of y in LHS. Here the question is y upon 2 plus LHS is plus 8 upon 3. This is LHS. Then put the value of y is 29 upon 12. 29 upon 12 into 2 plus 8 upon 3. This is equal to 29 upon 24 plus 8 upon 3. Then take the LCM as 24. Then this is 29 plus 64. Then this is equal to, look at here, this is equal to 29 plus, this is equal to, when we add this we get, this is 93 upon 24. Then get it divided with 3. This is 8 and this is 31. We finally get this is 31 upon 8. 31 upon 8 is the RHS. Here we take the LHS and we get the RHS. This means the answer is checked. LHS is equal to RHS. Let us solve some more examples with and check your answer. How can we check an answer of the given linear equations? Let us discuss some examples. Here another question is given, x upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to 8. Solve and check. Here these are the variables and this is the constant. Then take the LCM as 6. This is 3x minus 2x is equal to 8. X upon 6 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 into 6 is equal to 48. As I have already told you, when the constant is at denominator in LHS, when we shift it to the RHS, then it gets shifted to the numerator. Then as 6 is divided here, when we shift it to RHS, it gets multiplied. X is equal to 48. Then we get the answer x is equal to 48. Then how can we check it? Check means put the value of x equal to 48 in LHS and you must get the RHS. Then can we say that our answer is right? We have checked it. Then put the value of x is equal to 48 in LHS. Then this is 48 upon 2 and this is 48 upon 3. This is 24 minus 16, which is equal to 8. Yes, we get the RHS. Yes, we get the RHS. Here we take the LHS and we get the RHS. This means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked. Please students, solve more and more examples. Then it will be easier for you when you solve the variety of questions, it will be easier for you to solve any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Here take another example. Here the question says 6p plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7p minus 3 upon 2. Then let us solve and check. Here in the at first we solve this. Then take the 3 as the LCM, and this is 6p. Variable is p here. This is 6p plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 7p minus 3 upon 2. Then this is 6p plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 7p minus 3 upon 2. Here you use the method of cross multiplications. This means 2 is at the denominator in RHS and shift it to the LHS and multiplied with the variables. Then this is 3 into 7p minus 3. Let us multiply and solve it. Let us keep it here and solve here. Then this is, then at first we open the bracket. When we open the bracket, take the 2 get multiplied with, this is 12p plus 8 is equal to 21p minus 9. Then this is 12p minus 21p is equal to minus 9 minus 8. As I have told you, when you solve the linear equations, keep the variables one side and keep the constants one side. Then 12p minus 21p means minus 9p is equal to minus 17. This means p is equal to minus 17 upon minus 9. Cancel, which is equal to 17 upon 9. You get the value of p as which is equal to 17 upon 9. Then let us check. How can we check this? We put the value of p in LHS and put the value of p, because here in the RHS also there is the variable p, and put the value of p in RHS. When we get the LHS is equal to RHS, then can we say that the answer is checked, means our answer is right. The value of variable we get is correct. Then let us solve, check it. Then take the LHS. LHS is equal to 6p plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Then put the value of p in the LHS as p is 17 upon 9 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1, which is equal to 3 2 ja 3 3 ja. This is equal to 34 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1, which is equal to 37 upon 9 plus 1, which is equal to 9 is the LCM. 37 plus 9, which is equal to 46 upon 9 is the answer of LHS. And then we put the value of p in RHS, and we must get the value of this. Then can we say that the answer is checked here. Put this and solve. Then let us put the value of p equal to, let us take the RHS. Here the RHS is 7p minus 3 upon 2. Put the value of p as 17 upon 9 in the RHS. Then let us solve it. Then this is equal to 119 minus 3 upon 9 upon 2, which is equal to 119 minus 27 upon 9 into 2, which is equal to 92 upon 18. Then when we cut it by 2, we get, this is simplify, we get this is 46 upon 9. Yes, we get this is the RHS. This is the RHS, and we get, look at here. Then here this is the RHS and this is the LHS. Yes, we get the LHS 46 upon 9 and at the RHS 46 upon 9. Yes, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we checked it. Student, please practice variety of questions. In exam paper, you have to also ask the questions, solve and check. Then you solve the questions and check your answer whether your answer is right or not. Then please students practice variety of questions. Here another questions, decimal question says 2.4x plus 1.35 minus 0.04x is equal to 3.71x plus 13.5. Then let us solve it. Then how can we solve it? I have already told you, when you solve the linear equations, put the variable one side and put the constant one side. Always try to put the variable in LHS and put the constant in the RHS. Then here this is 3.71x is equal to 13.5 minus 1.35. Then when you solve this, we get the decimal. This is 2.4x minus 3.75x is equal to this is 12.15. Then here this is minus 1.35x is equal to 12.15. Then this x is equal to 12.15. Here this is multiplied with the variable. Then when you take it to the RHS, you must divide it. Then this is minus 1.35. Then we get this minus 9 is the answer. Here we get the value of x equal to minus 9. Then when you check your answer, put the value of x equal to minus 9 in LHS first and get the answer. Then another, you also put the value of x equal to minus 9 in RHS. You must get the LHS equal to RHS. Then can you say that you get the perfect answers, otherwise your answer may get wrong. Then now we will discuss about word problems or application of linear equations. Application of linear equation, when you solve the application of linear equation, at first try to understand the questions properly. When you understand the questions properly, then can you make the linear equations. When you make the correct linear equation, you can solve this and get the perfect answers. Here the question says, let us solve some examples. At first try to understand the questions, what the question says and what the question is asked to find out. The sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the numbers. The question says the sum of two numbers is 95. One exceeds the other by 3. Let the first number be x. Then the condition says one number exceeds the other by 3. Then the second number is equal to x plus 3. And another, according to questions, another condition is given. Sum of the two numbers is 95. This means x plus 3 is equal to 95. This is the linear equation of the given question. Then when we solve this and find the value of x, this is the answer of the question. Here, just look at here. This is 2x plus 3 is equal to 95. This means x is equal to 95 minus 3 is equal to 92. when the x is equal to 92 upon 2 is equal to 46. This means we take that the conditions, the first number be x. This means the first number is 46. Then the second number is equal to x plus 3. Then the second number is equal to x plus 3, which is equal to 46 plus 3 is equal to 49. Here these two numbers are, first number is 46 and the second number is 49. Then let us discuss some more examples. Students, please you do your exercises regularly and ask me your doubt. I am ever ready to clear your all doubts. Here the question says, two equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meter less than twice the third side. Here two equal sides of a triangle. This means the triangle is an isosceles triangle. The given triangle is an isosceles triangle. Let A, B, C be the given triangle, which is an isosceles triangle. Two equal sides of the triangle are each 5 meter less than twice the third side. Let the third side be x. Then the equal sides are 5 meter less than the twice the third side. Then this is x. Then the equal sides are 5 meter less than twice the third side. This means the equal sides are 2x minus 5. This is 2x minus 5. This is 2x minus 5. Another conditions is given here. Perimeter of the triangle is given. Perimeter of the triangle is given. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to, given here, 55 meter. This means according to questions, what is the perimeter of the given of a triangle? Side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Then according to questions, x plus 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 55, which shows that 5x minus 10 is equal to 55, which shows that 5x is equal to 55 plus 10 is equal to 65. This means 5x is equal to 65. X is equal to 65 upon 5 is equal to 13. Means the third side is equal to 13. And two equal sides are 2x minus 5. This means 2x minus 5 is equal to 2 into 13 minus 5. 26 minus 5 is equal to 21. This means two equal sides are 21 each. This is 13. 21 plus 21 plus 13 is equal to 55. Here the perimeter of the given triangle is given 55 meter. Then let us solve some more questions. Students, while you solving the linear equations word problems, at first try to understand the questions properly. Here another question says, or let us practice variety of questions and ask me your doubt. Here the question says, age of Lina and Hina are in ratio 7:5. 10 years hence the ratio of their age will be 9:7. Find their present age. Here the condition is given. The present age of Lina and Hina are in ratio 7:5. Let the age of Lina be, let the age of Lina be 7x and the age of Hina will be 5x, because the ratio of their age is given 7:5. Then the age of Hina is equal to 5x. Then the next condition is given 10 years hence. Means after 10 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. This means after 10 years, this means 7x plus 10. After 10 years, age of Lina will be 7x plus 10 and age of Hina will be 5x plus 10. But the condition is given, their ratio will be 9:7. This is the equation of the linear equation of the given questions. Then let us solve this. Then how can we solve this? By applying cross multiplication method. This is equal to 9/7. Then by using cross multiplication method, 7 into 7x plus 10 is equal to 9 into 5x plus 10. Then at first open the bracket. How can you open the bracket? When you open the bracket, then the 7 get multiplied with this and with this. Then 49x plus 70. Be students, when you solve the linear equations, be thorough about the operation of algebraic expressions. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to solve the linear equations. 45 when 9 get multiplied with this is 45x plus 90. Then when you solve the linear equations, I have already told you, keep the variables one side and take the constants one side. Then when you shift LHS to RHS, the sign will be changed. Positive becomes negative, negative becomes positives. Then thus when this any constant will be multiplied with the variables, then when it shifts from LHS to RHS, the numerator changes to the denominator and the denominator changes to the numerator. Here 49x minus 45x is equal to 4x, which is equal to 20. Then x is equal to 20 upon 4 is equal to 5. You get the value of x is equal to 5. But you have to find out the present age of Lina and Hina. You have taken that the present age of Lina is 7x. This means the present age of Lina is equal to 7x, which is equal to 7 into 5 is equal to 35, and the present age of Hina is equal to 5x, which is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25. This means present age of Lina is 35 and present age of Hina is 25. Okay. Then students, today this much. Please students, do your exercises regularly and ask me your doubt. I am ever ready to clear your all doubts. Thank you students.